Where are you going? Where are you going? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? I'm going home. I'm going home. मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. What are you reading? What are you reading? तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. What will you do? What will you do? तुम क्या करोगे? I will do something. I will do something. मैं कुछ करूँगा. Who knows how to play? Who knows how to play? किसको खेलना आता है? I know how to play. I know how to play. मुझे खेलना आता है. Who is calling me? Who is calling me? मुझे कौन बुला रहा है? Someone is outside calling you. Someone is outside calling you. कोई बाहर तुम्हें बुला रहा है. Who made this? Who made this? ये किसने बनाया? I made it by myself. I made it by myself. मैंने ये खुद बनाया. When will you start? When will you start? तुम कब शुरू करोगे? I will start from tomorrow. I will start from tomorrow. मैं कल से शुरू करूँगा. How will you go? How will you go? तुम कैसे जाओगे? I will go by bus. I will go by bus. मैं बस से जाऊँगा. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? क्या तुम्हें पता है मैं कौन हूँ? I know who you are. I know who you are. मुझे पता है तुम कौन हो. What do you have? What do you have? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? I have everything. I have everything. मेरे पास सब कुछ है. What are you hiding? What are you hiding? तुम क्या छुपा रहे हो? I'm hiding nothing. I'm hiding nothing. मैं कुछ नहीं छुपा रहा. When will you come? When will you come? तुम कब आओगे? I will come on Sunday. I will come on Sunday. मैं एतवार को आऊँगा. Who told you? Who told you? किसने बताया तुम्हें? My friend told me. My friend told me. मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे बताया. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? ये गाड़ी किसकी है? It's mine. It's mine. ये मेरी है.